You said that President Trump is making law that we cannot manufacture drones
from China. We
from
cannot
China
use any of
anymore.
the components.
No more drones.
No more foreign drones. So what's that do?
So
Leaves
how
the
we-
American market open completely.
So I've got the guy with me here today is a former Shadow maintainer.
A what?
Shadow, like the Predator drone, the big boys. He was a Shadow maintainer, and you're talking AI. It's not true AI. It's still a human in the loop.
Hey Richie, will you do me a favor and wear my carbon fiber hat? Or that's not mine, it's Kyle's. And then maybe, would you hold up a little picture of that carbon fiber? Yeah. Can you put that, is that a sticky? Can you put that on his hat? Is that a sticky?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
So has your drones been contracted already, or with the government, or are you looking for a pilot?
Expansion. But I feel like a private party situation would be much more profitable than trying to wait for all that processing.
Oh man, that's cool. I should have done that earlier. Oh, Kyle's gonna love this. Oh man, that's cool. That is cool. That looks good, right? Nice. Oh yeah, yeah. Because I don't know why this thing keeps popping up. I want to get rid of this thing. You know why? It's like trying to connect the internet.
Yeah,
How do you get rid of that? You know how to get rid of that? Shit.
Can I take one of these?
Hey Richie.
Hey, can I have one of these?
One, yeah.
Yeah, thank you. We may not be able to use them.
Yeah.
I might connect it with somebody else.
Oh, that's nice, man. Thank you. Nice, Richie. Yeah. Can you tell me your name, sir?
Richie Z Rocks. And this is my album that is being released. It's called Heart Song. It's Christian. My other album is called Mutant Farm, and it sounds like Pink Floyd, Christian Pink Floyd.
Cool. Thank you.